Hello traders, welcome back to PipsTraders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So today in this video, as usual, let us look at the price action in gold US dollar currency pairs and mark the current trend of the price action and present support and resistance levels. So when we look at the economical events plan for today is Tuesday, April 18. At 7 AM we have medium impact news planned for Australian dollar related currency pairs. Then at 7:30 AM we have medium impact news planned for Chinese yuan related currency pairs. And at 11:30 AM we have high impact news and medium impact news planned for British pound related currency pairs. Then at 2:30 PM we have medium impact news planned for euro related currency pairs. At 6:30 PM we have high impact news planned for Canadian dollar related currency pairs, followed by medium impact news for Canadian dollar related currency pairs. Then at 8:30 PM we have high impact news planned for Canadian dollar related currency pairs. We don't have any high impact news planned for US dollar related currency pairs for today. Let us begin with our gold analysis. I'm in daily time frame now and I have already marked the resistance levels where we have noticed the price action to hit this resistance level of 2050, then to bounce back on the bearish side retracement. In the past also we have noticed the price action to test this resistance level, then to bounce back on the bearish side retracement, and we have noticed the price action to retest this resistance level again. And on the bearish side, based on the past price action, I have taken the support zone which is going to be between 1997 to 1982, and currently the price action has again taken support on the past price action support zone, and still it has not broken this support zone. And when we look at the overall trend of the price action in daily time frame, we can clearly notice that the price action is trading between this bullish channel pattern, which confirms that the current trend of the price action is still in a bullish trend. It has tested the support line of this bullish channel pattern, and as long as this support zone is holding strong, we can expect a bounce back on the bullish side retracement in daily time frame. And if the price action breaks this support zone, I'm going to use the Fibonacci tools to mark the support zone and the resistance zone for the daily time frame. So based on the Fibonacci extension tool, we can notice that once the price action breaks the support level of 1982, next level of support is going to be around 1941 and 1892, which means that it will be breaking this bullish channel pattern, and we can expect the price action to form a head and shoulder pattern, based on which we can expect the retracement to start on the bearish side. And if the price action takes support on this support zone between 1997 to 1982 and bounces back on the bullish side retracement, the immediate resistance is going to be around 2022 and the resistance zone between 2050 to 2078. We can expect the bullish side trend to continue in daily time frame. So for the easier understanding, wait for the price action to break this support level in order to enter on the bearish side trade, or wait for the price action to bounce back from this support zone to continue trading on the bullish trend. Let us look at the price action in 4 hours time frame. I'm in 4 hours time frame, and when we look at the price action in 4 hours time frame, we can notice that the current price action is still in a bullish trend, and it has tested this resistance line of the bullish channel pattern, and we have noticed the price action too. Currently we can also notice that this neck level of the double top pattern is holding strong, and as long as this level of 1996 to 1981 is holding strong, we can expect a trend reversal on the bullish trend in 4 hours time frame. Also, we are already noticing the green candles to be formed in 4 hours time frame. Wait for it to break this resistance level of 1996, where we can expect the bullish trend to continue once this resistance level is reached. And for now, as long as the price action is trading within this bullish channel pattern, we can expect the bullish trend to continue in 4 hours time frame also. Let us look at the price action in hourly time frame. I'm in hourly time frame, and we have noticed the price action to trend on the bullish side and this level of 2050 is currently acting as a very strong resistance level, and we have noticed the price action to bounce back on the bearish side and has taken support on the support level of 1980, which is also the trend line or the support line of the bullish channel pattern from the daily time frame. In the past also we have noticed the price action to take support on this support level and to bounce back on the bullish side trend reversal. So wait for the price action to break this resistance zone between 1996 to 1980 in order to take trades on the bullish side, or wait for the price action to break the support level of 1980 in order to continue trading on the bearish trend for now. And when we draw a trend line to understand the current trend of the price action, we can notice that it has taken support on this trend line in the past also. So we can expect this line to be acting as a support level for the future price action also. Once this trend line is breached, we can expect the bearish side trend reversal to start in hourly time frame. So the values in green color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in hourly time frame. Currently the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1995 and support level of 1980. The current trend of the price action in hourly time frame is still in a bearish trend, but the overall trend of the price action from the higher time frame is in a bullish trend, and if the price action breaks this support level of 1980, we can expect it to take support on the support level of 1963. Once this support level is breached, we can expect the bearish side retracement to start in hourly time frame. And if the price action takes support on this support line of the bullish channel pattern and bounces back on bullish trend reversal, the immediate resistance is going to be around 1993, 2006, 2015, 2020, 2027, 2034 and 2050. And now the price action is trading at the support zone. Wait for it to give a directional breakout from this support zone on the bullish side or on the bearish side in order to take a directional trade in hourly time frame. Let us look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame. I'm in 30 minutes time frame now, and when we look at the current trend of the price action in 30 minutes time frame, it is on a bearish trend or it is under a retracement on the bearish side. I've drawn a resistance line for the 30 minutes time frame, and we can notice the price action to be respecting this resistance line, and it is trending on the bearish side for now. Wait for the price action to break this hourly time frame support line in order to freshly enter on the bearish side trade, or wait for the price action to break this 30 minutes time frame resistance line in order to freshly enter on the bullish side retracement. Currently the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1997 and support level of 1989. Once this support level is reached, next level of support is going to be around 1980, 1971, 1958 and 1941 on the bearish side. And if the price action takes support on the hourly time frame trend line or the support line and bounces back on the bullish side retracement, the immediate resistance is going to be around 1989, and once this resistance level is reached, next level of resistance is going to be around 1997, 2006, 2020, 2033 and 2050. So to summarize the current price action, currently it is trading between a bullish channel pattern from the higher time frame, but within this bullish channel pattern, retrace back on the bearish side to retest on this support line of the bullish channel pattern. Wait for the price action to give a direction breakout on the bullish side or on the bearish side in order to get the confirmation on the bullish side trend reversal or on the continuation of the current bearish trend in 30 minutes time frame. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.